Crazy. All right, so we're at the Red Street Campground in BC, and here's our pop-up tent we got. This is an out sunny, just a cheap Amazon tent, and it just pops up instantly. The poles are all installed and kind of fold over themselves and stuff. And there's the teardrop. We ran some solar panels. They're just hanging out on the side. Got the dogs lined up for a minute so we can get all this stuff set up, of course. So then this has given us a nice little vestibule. And, oh, we did bring a mat. I thought we left that at home. So then we have coverage over our door so we can get out of here if it's ugly. Get inside if it's raining. Come out here and change so we can go to the hot springs. There's 4 doors and screens on every door. Then in the back we've got our galley. There you go. Have a little table, fold out table. There's Boo. Boo and Jav. Jav's being nice. Boo's wrapping around a tree. Yeah, everything's working great. We put these pool noodles, sliced up pool noodles at my mom's place, and stuffed them in there so the cooler doesn't go flopping around while we're driving anymore. And we've got these bungee cords, so those go over our little cupboards there, little slide out drawers. Everything stays put, and yeah, it's working out really well so far. Oh, where'd she go? Go! He gets in front of you like, no, you don't. He can't even slow down. He goes so fast. This is the cooler. This is how much space we have. So it's a mess now, but that's about, yeah, that's 1 can worth of height. And we can fit sort of another can on top. All these big brisks. You can fit like a 6-pack there, worth of food or whatever, and then some big guys there. And then down here, this is that's 2 cans stacked on top of each other. It'll take a 3rd can stacked on top of each other. So hopefully you have beers and stuff to like estimate. There's a whole bottle of wine in there, but it doesn't quite fit that way. It'll fit standing up and down. Just to give you an idea. So that's about how much food we can fit. Turns out the cheap tent has cheap tent seams. So we've got water, little pools of water showing up everywhere. It's coming out of the, it's dripping right off of this little tie here, off of the hanger up here. A little bit of pooling up here that we've had to push back. Not great overall. Great shape, great size, not waterproof. So we had to put a tarp over top of our tent because, please act surprised, the cheap tent from Amazon is not totally waterproof. So we had to go and clean up all the little puddles and stuff, tarp it up. And then we found out that our hinge is still leaking a little bit if water pools up in the back. It'll leak down one side a little bit, so the tarp's covering that too. This flume is like a big aqueduct that feeds, like, I think it was 95 farms. It's crazy. It's all fresh mountain water. You can drink this stuff. Here we are on a beautiful hike to Bugaboo Falls, Lower Bugaboo Falls. And to our right, you fall and you die. That's no bueno. Look at that. Curtains. Oh man. Alright, we're gonna follow this trail down, and you can probably hear, let me get close to this if I have to. That's it. That is a 100% straight bloody drop. Oh my god. That is not okay. And the dogs just want to run. Well, Boo wants to run real close, and Jav's pretty okay with not getting to the edge. Wow. Here's Boo drinking some water. Hey Boo. Ah, you're getting my foot wet. Why? Yeah, drink. Little casual drinking. Yum yum. Thank you, hon. And the waterfall. Whoa. Alright, so we just got to our campsite in Cypress Hills and went through a huge rainstorm. This door was supposed to be installed like this, the screen on the bottom, from what we were told and understand. Everything was sealed up, and we got water on the edges of our mattress. So that came through the window. There was water on this sill. Actually, there still is water on that sill there. And so we're drying that up, and we'll have to figure out what went wrong there for next time. So, all right, got a tarp on everything, and hopefully we just stay dry. Jeff, what's this? got total zoomies. Boo, ready? Good job. Real mature.